Commuting in the city. Many friends will use flatbed scooter. A new product launched abroad is called Blitzwheel E-Scooters electric flatbed scooter. Small things to it is less than 50 centimeters long when folded. Can be easily put into a backpack and pumped. Adopt multiple folding design. Pull out the armrest when using. Unfold pedal. Transform into a complete body. Then you can enable your own commute when you need a rest. Put him away and put him aside. Doesn't take up any space. If it is inconvenient to carry, you can also just put away the pedals. You can pull it like a cart or stand still. Very worry-free. The small size also affects battery life. With battery, can support him the most. Driving at a speed of 25 kilometers, about 30 kilometers, in order to make up for the official 600W fast charged in less than half an hour. Or that daily travel is no problem. To need a flatbed scooter like this, might as well try it.